Been a couple of hours and I've been pretty busy. I was doing my schedule. My friend came over. I got a new bird now. My friend, she found a bird. Well, they gave her a bird and now I have her. Don't worry, I'm getting a cage for it. My dad's gonna bring a cage soon, so yeah. And I have all of these guys. I still gotta paint. I'm in a rush. I need to finish these like ASAP. Guys, he's in his cage. His name is Gojo. And I finished my paintings. It is 12:09 a.m. Took me almost all day, but you know, I was stopping and stuff, but I'm gonna resin some today. And in total I have 11 orders. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 orders. Yay. I need to resin them. That should be pretty fast though. Portrait 3. So I'm gonna go here, print, and then it should start printing, hopefully.